I've been working as a web designer for years, creating websites from scratch, and that's why filming this video is pretty painful for me. The reason is because right now, the best way to create a website is through a website builder. In this video, we'll give you 10 reasons why Elementor is the best web builder of 2019 and why you should choose it if you're looking for a web builder. So keep watching and welcome to the Growth Academy. Before I get into my 10 points, let me explain to you why I chose Elementor among all the web builders and why you should trust my decision. As I said, I've been working for years as a web designer, and my job was to try all the web builders, to test them, and to review them. So I tried all of them, from the most popular ones like ClickFunnels and Leadpages to some web builders you may never heard of like iGlue or Jimdo. And Elementor is the only one that has a positive score on all the categories that make a web builder worth the money: performance, features, usability, and support. So let's start with the elephant in the room: price. How does Elementor cost and is it worth it? First of all, Elementor has a free trial, so you can try it for free and decide. But since you're gonna love it, I suggest you to go with the unlimited plan. With a limited plan that is $199 per year, you can create all the websites you want. And if you think about that, it's pretty cheap, because let's assume you create a website for a client, you already repaid your license. But even if you want to use Elementor just for your website, for a single website, the price is $49 per year. That is basically nothing. Number 2, usability. Elementor has the simplest drag and drop system I've seen on the market. You can create a website in less than 1 hour. I'm not joking. You make me cringe every time I think about all the time that I spent learning HTML and CSS. Number 3, templates. If you have no design taste, and trust me, I saw people creating websites and they add the style taste of a turtle. If you are in that situation, don't worry, Elementor gives you a great variety of templates. And the great thing about Elementor is that you don't need to choose an entire template. You can even choose a single element of that template, so you can customize your page as much as you wish. And if you're looking for a template for a landing page, you can download below this video in the description the 3 templates that I'm using for all my affiliate pages. It's for free, they're for free, you don't have to pay anything. There's the link below this video. Click on the link, download the 3 templates, add them to your Wordpress website and customize them as you wish. Number 4, elements. If you take a look at the sidebar of Elementor, you will find all the objects you may think of, starting from the essential elements as buttons, social icons, up to elaborate elements like carousels, price tables, countdowns, image galleries. After years that I'm using this tool, sometimes I spot a new element I had no idea was there. Number 5, responsive design. It means that you can create a website that looks great on all devices. It looks great on your desktop, it looks great on your tablet, it looks great on your mobile. And you can customize every single object based on the page size using an incredible intuitive method to switch between a resolution to the other. Number 6, full revision history. If you're using Photoshop, you know what I'm talking about. Elementor uses the same history panel that made Photoshop that famous. It's a column with all the previous version of your page, so you can revert to an earlier version whenever you want. And you don't have to be stressed about making a mistake and not having the chance to go back to a previous version. Number 7, endless customization options. Everything on your page can be customized, and I mean everything. You can manage the width and the height of the section, you can resize columns, you can set your content position to top, center, or bottom, you can set padding and margins. There is no room for frustration. Number 8, third-party integrations. The extreme popularity of Elementor made other developers create add-ons that can be added to Elementor and improve the functionalities of this tool. And the variety of external add-ons is something I've never seen in any other web builder. If you're interested in add-ons for Elementor, I created a list with the best 5 free add-ons that you can integrate in Elementor. You can download the list in the description of this video. There's the link below. Click on the link. You You can download the PDF and you have there the entire list of the 5 best add-ons. Number 9, Elementor is totally integrated with WordPress. WordPress is great to create a blog, but the pain in the ass is to style your blog, is to change the design of your blog. And if you are using templates on WordPress, you know what I'm talking about. But with Elementor, you can style and design your blog as you wish. And this was a great feature when it was introduced into Elementor. It means that you don't need any knowledge of HTML or CSS. And number 10, last but not least, the team behind Elementor. When you will start using Elementor, you will realize that there is a team behind the tool that is working non-stop like crazy to improve the tool, to create new features, to fix bugs, and they listen carefully to the feedback from the user base. For this reason, I want to spend a word for the Facebook group of Elementor. The Facebook group is particularly vibrant and you can find a lot of help in there. You can network with other designers that are using Elementor, you can ask questions, you can help other people, you can find collaborators for your projects. That's everything for this video. The only thing you need to do right now is to try Elementor and decide if it's going to be your choice for 2019. If you like this video so far, you know what you need to do. There is the red button below this video to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. If you click on the bell, you will get a notification every time I will post a new video. And if you have any friend who could find this video helpful, well, share it away. You have my consent. Question of the day. Which is the point among the 10s that I talked about? Which is the point you like the most? Or if I didn't talk about the reason why you love Elementor, well, write it in the comments. Let's have a discussion there, and I'll see you there in the comments, or I'll see you in the next video. Cheers, mate.